Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to remove a stuck garden hose from a spigot. Now a spigot is otherwise known as a hose bib, and this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So let's imagine that this spigot or hose bib is mounted to the wall and the garden hose is stuck on here and you just can't get it out. You've tried using your hands and it just won't come loose, okay? Now there's a right and a wrong way to do this. The wrong way is to get a pair of pliers and just try and twist this off. Because if you try and twist this off, you are inevitably going to apply some torque force, some twisting force to the actual spigot, which is connected to a pipe, and you might break the pipe. So you don't want to just get a pair of pliers and start twisting this, okay? Now you should know which way your actual garden hose fitting is removed in terms of clockwise or counterclockwise. This one will turn counterclockwise and can be removed when you turn it counterclockwise. So if I was to take this and I was to turn it counterclockwise from the hose bib, I would be able to remove it. I believe it's counterclockwise. I could be wrong, but I believe it's counterclockwise. If I was to turn this counterclockwise from the hose bib, let's just get a good grip on it, turn it counterclockwise, I could remove it, okay? Just like that. So this gets loosened by turning it counterclockwise. You should know which way to turn yours. Now, the real way to remove it is to know the direction in which to turn it, which in this case is counterclockwise, which most times it's going to be like that. Then you want to get one pair of pliers that are thin enough to grip the barrel of the hose bib or spigot. So in this case, I'm going to use these channel locks. You want to set them to the right size where you can grip just the spigot, not the actual fitting, just the spigot. And you want to hold on to that nice and tightly. When you do that, you're actually going to be preventing this from torquing this. So you're going to be preventing the spigot from getting any significant torque. Then you want to get another pair of pliers and you want to place them on the fitting. In this case, I'm going to use these, I don't know what they're called, vice grips, I think I call them. And I'm going to clamp them on the fitting. Let's put them a little bit tighter. So let's do it just a little bit tighter. Okay, clamp them on the fitting. It can be any pair of pliers as long as they work. And while holding the hose bib steadily in place, okay, let's get it nice and straight. While holding the hose bib in place, you want to twist the fitting wrenches. So I'm holding the hose bib in place and I'm twisting the fitting wrenches, okay, the fitting wrench. So I'm holding the hose bib in place with the channel locks. It's not moving. And I'm using the vice grips to twist just the garden hose fitting counterclockwise to loosen it. Okay, once you've done it a couple spins, just a couple spins, you can then remove it. All that you need to do is loosen it maybe a quarter of a turn to half a turn, and then you can probably just remove it with your finger. It's very common for these things to get stuck. The idea is that you're using these, one pair of pliers, to grip on to that hose bib and make sure that does not turn in any way, shape, or form. And then using another pair of pliers on the hose fitting, the garden hose fitting, to actually twist it off. Once you get it a quarter of a turn to half a turn, that's all that you need. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure, last thing, you really want to make sure, I was going to finish the video, but there's one more part. You really want to make sure you're gripping this really tightly and holding it. So you're not just gripping it just to grip it. You're gripping it, okay? But you're holding your hand firm so that this isn't turning. You want this to stay in the exact position as is. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.